I'm going to be creating a cozy latte makeup look with some products I got in my glam bag this month. So going in and doing a nice winged out moment with this brown liner here. And then I'm gonna do the other side. This doesn't have to be nice and clean. We're gonna smudge it out later, but I want to wing it out just a little more here. So now we're gonna take our little brush, eyeliner brush, and smudge in this part of the line to bring it up on top of the lid, leaving the nice wing here. So we're just gonna blend, blend, blend. This pencil, it's super creamy, so I got plenty of time to work here. You should get something along the lines of this, a little wing with a little smoked out smudgy moment in the center of the eyes. So I wanna make sure my wings match, and if they don't, you can always take a handy dandy Q-tip and clean them up. Perfect. Now we're gonna go in with the Pacifica. This is a cherry gold highlight and blush palette. I'm gonna use Cherry Spirit on my cheeks for some blush on the tip. Dust it off. And I'm a blush girl, so I'm gonna do a little more because we want this to be a whole moment. And I'm gonna start by working it on the apples of my cheeks here and just working up slightly, just a little more. So now I'm taking just a clean brush and I just wanna blend. And I do this because I don't want to add any more product. I just want to blend it all in seamlessly into my face so it meshes well and looks very natural. I'm going to go back in with my Pacifica highlight palette here. This is a highlight and blush. I'm going to use the highlight to finish off this beautiful latte look. For this, I'm going to use my finger. Get it on the balls of my fingers and go in and tap slightly in the center here because we want a nice little highlight latte moment. This highlight feels so creamy. It's almost like a cream to powder fill. It's giving me expensive. So we're dipping back into the Pacifica highlight, and this time I'm going in with this Wing Me brush, and I'm just gonna tap ever so slightly, dust a little off. I'm gonna go here onto the brow bone, so we love a highlight moment here. Oh my gosh, look at this highlight. Isn't that gorgeous? Now to finish off the look, we're gonna use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and she's so cute. Love this packaging. And just slowly brush through. And then we know we need to accent the bottom, so I'm gonna use the tip of it to wipe some product and then go in, make my ugly face. So I wanna show you a little trick with my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. We're gonna use this Wing Me brush to be a guide so we don't get all messy with our bottom lashes. So what you're gonna do is take the wand, the back of the wand, hold it under, and then just use your mascara. All that mess on the brush, not under my eye. I'm gonna finish off with a lip liner for this beautiful latte makeup. Give myself a bigger bottom lip, so I go down here. I like to just enhance my Cupid's bow by making it a little darker. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Bag and BoxyCharm with the link in the description box below. Like this video and comment with your favorite fall drink. Bye!